I love that sound. Oh! How can he do that? Oh! His right stick is constantly moving. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, Ali Shama here. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Biao is going to show us how to fly RS4. This is the GooSky RS4 3D RC helicopter. Oh, he can do that! He can do pyro TikToks! I can only dream to do that! I can possibly do this. Now testing 80% head speed. Slightly windy, more windy now. Still, Mr. Biao is flying. Oh, I love that sound. That sound is music to my ears. That was a confused gyro, too high speed. Okay,
motor.
Let's touch the motor. Hold on.
Yeah, to check the temperature.
It's barely warm.
只一点点。
Barely warm. I mean, not even warm.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel. just for you. Hit that like button, right?